Okay, we've got a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace these hood shocks up here. And said there, it's really frustrating if you have one of these that uses the struts to hold the hood up when you go to try to do something or do some maintenance and the hood's falling down and you don't have a way of propping it up unless you got a stick or something. So it's very important and to keep things safe to get these replaced on your hood. Okay, so this is the struts we're going to be using. I ordered these. I can leave a link. And really not going to need a lot of tools. You'll notice they usually put a light dab of grease in these ends just to kind of help it operate a little bit more smoothly. But a little screwdriver or a little pick tool, something like this, should be all that you need. And basically we're going to go to the car and we're just going to get in under here, pop up this little clip, and it's going to release that. So first of all, we're going to get over here and get something to prop the hood up. Okay, so I've just got a 2x4 here, but just anything that's going to hold this up unless you got somebody to hold the hood for you. Okay, we're just going to start over here on this passenger side. It doesn't really matter if you start at the top or the bottom. Okay, so we'll just get on this bottom portion, and you can pop it out or just pop it out partially. Okay, now we'll just get on our upper portion here. Okay, so that has the whole strut out, and we'll go ahead and get our replacement over here. Okay, so we'll just pop it into the bottom here first. And it should snap on pretty firmly. And you may have to pick up on your hood a little bit to get this one to go into place. Okay, and just to show you, with just one new one, it's holding the hood up now. These things are pretty strong when they're new. So all I got to do now, we're just going to pop the new one on this side over here. We'll be all finished up. Okay, so there's both of our nice new hood shocks. Okay, and just to show you the strength of these, if we lift up, it will actually go ahead and lift the hood for you. Alright, so you see how easy it is to replace these hood shocks on your car. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below if you'd like. And as always, I invite you to subscribe, and I thank you for watching.